Hello everyone, this is Lalita Singh and you are going to study science with me in class 8. Today we are going to discuss third part of the chapter 10 called Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Chapter content has already been discussed in the previous two videos. Now we are going to do the question answer of the chapter. So we will start with checkpoint 1. Okay. Checkpoint 1. Answer in one word. The age to reach puberty for girls. It is 11 to 13 years of age. Okay. Adam apple is located there in human body in the throat region. Okay. Adam apple is located in throat region. The period of onset of sexual maturity is called puberty. Next is gland which control the release of sex hormone is pituitary gland. Okay, when pituitary gland release FSH, it controls the release of, only when pituitary gland release FSH, then only gonads can release their own hormone. Clear? Next is the name given for the ductless gland. The ductless gland is known as endocrine gland. Next is checkpoint 2. True or false? Hormones are secreted by endocrine gland. True. The first menstruation flow or menarche occur in girls at the age of 11 to 12. Yes, true. And adolescents need a diet rich in protein and fat. No, they need a diet which is balanced. Understood? They need a balanced diet. Fourth, oversecretion of pituitary hormone in adult produces pituitary gland. Yes, true. Thyroid secrete thyroxine hormone. True. Understood? Next, practice time. A. Which of these is not an endocrine gland? Endocrine gland, salivary gland is exocrine gland because it has duct to release their saliva. Okay, so salivary gland is your answer. Option B. Second question, which of the following endocrine glands secrete insulin? Insulin is secreted by which gland? Pancreas. Pancreas secrete insulin. Next is, which of the following transmit the hormone to the target site? It is blood. Okay, D is your answer. Next is, the first menstruation flow is called menarche. Option C is your answer. Which of the following combination of a chromosome lead to the birth of a baby girl? It is XX. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Next, hormone that prepare the body to fight or run. It is adrenaline. Adrenal gland secrete adrenaline, which is called emergency hormone, and this hormone is released during fight. Okay. Next is match the column. First is hormone released by ovary. It is estrogen. Yani first is going to be with C. Emergency hormone, adrenaline, E. Okay. Hormone whose shortage leads to diabetes, insulin, A. Next is master endocrine gland. It is always pituitary gland. So F. Next is end of reproductive phase in female life. It is called menopause. B is your answer. Now 6 number question is stage of achieving sexual maturity. It is called puberty. Okay, D is your answer. Now C. Answer short type of answer question. Okay, the first question is, what are the chemical substance released from endocrine gland? It is called hormone. Second is, what kind of food may cause many type of diseases? Imbalanced diet or unbalanced diet. Okay, unbalanced diet and contaminated food can cause diseases. Next is third question, which endocrine gland is called master gland? It is pituitary gland. Okay, it is pituitary gland. Next, Pituitary is written over here. Next is, what is the onset of sexual maturity in human called? It is called puberty. Next is fifth question, which endocrine gland are attached to kidney? Adrenal gland is attached to kidney. Sixth number question, what is the male hormone also known as? Male hormone is also known as testosterone. Okay, next question number D. D first. It is short answer type of question. How does the shape of body change during adolescence? Okay, the changes in the body of boys and girls are totally different. You can write over here, change in the body shape. Clear? In page number 127 it is given change in the body shape. You will write about both in boys and girls. Clear? Means what? You are going to write? Okay. You will write, in case of boys, the muscles of the body grow and become more prominent. Their shoulder become broad and waistline is wide, whereas in girls, pelvic region become broad and breast develop. Okay, next question. What are the secondary sexual character? What are the secondary sexual? You will write about secondary sexual character of male and female separately. It is given over here, secondary sexual character in page number 128. Secondary sexual character of boy. You will write it over it from here, and girls also. Okay, all the points should be mentioned in your copy. Next question is, okay, what is menstrual cycle? Menstrual cycle. Okay. A period of 28 days between two menstruation flow is called menstruation cycle in female. Clear? Next. Why is personal hygiene important in adolescence? Personal hygiene, it is given in the page number. Okay, it is given in page number 131. You will write it from over here. One should have a bath daily in teenagers. The increased activity of sweat gland make the body smelly. All part of the body should be washed and cleaned properly, otherwise bacteria, fungal growth may occur in underarms and groin region. Girls needed to take special care during menstruation so that they can not have any kind of infection as well. You will write this paragraph. Next question. Summarize secondary sexual character that develop in boy during adolescence. Okay, given over here. Secondary sexual character of boys, you will write each of the point in your copy. Next question. Describe the role of pituitary gland at the onset of puberty. Very, very important it is. The pituitary gland is playing the key role over here. Okay. Why? Because pituitary glands secrete FSH, which stimulate gonads to release their own hormone, like estrogen in case of female and testosterone in case of male, and this will cause growth in secondary sexual character. Understood? It is given where sex hormone are secreted by reproductive organ. The production of over from here. Okay, the production of sex hormone is under the control of pituitary gland, which is located at the base of the brain. Pituitary hormones secrete FSH, which stimulate testes to release testosterone and ovaries to release estrogen in female. Testosterone and estrogen stimulate change in body and produce secondary sexual character. This is your answer. Next question. Long answer type of question. How and at what stage the sex of child determine? Discuss the mechanism with suitable diagram. How? Means sex of child is determined by presence of sex chromosome. Okay, how is clear? Sex of child is determined by presence of sex chromosome in the zygote. Okay, now at what stage? At the time of fertilization, it is decided whether the child is going to be a boy or a girl at the time of fertilization, because the sperm which is fertilizing the ovum, what type of chromosome they are having, it will decide the gender of the child. Understood? Next, discuss the mechanism with the help of suitable diagram over here given. If the sperm carry either X chromosome or a Y chromosome. The egg or ovum of female contain only X chromosome. If the sperm carry X chromosome, fertilize the egg, and then resulting zygote will be having X and X. This is female child. If the sperm carrying Y chromosome fertilize the egg, then the resulting zygote will have X and Y, and this will be the male child. The diagram is given over here. You will draw this diagram in your copy as well. Next question. Question number 2. Why are endocrine gland called ductless gland? Because endocrine gland do not have duct to release their secretion. They release their hormone directly into blood. That is why they are called ductless gland. B number question. Name the hormone which are associated with the following symptoms. First is high level of blood sugar. It is associated with insulin. Next is goiter in the neck, thyroxine. So the name of hormone which is related is thyroxine. Dwarfism. If GH is not secreted in proper amount, then the person will be dwarf. Means growth hormone is the third answer. Okay. Next is growth of uterine wall during pregnancy. It is progesterone, which maintain the development of uterine wall throughout the pregnancy. Which hormone it is? It is progesterone. Clear? Now third question. Write a note on nutrient need of adolescent. It is given, nutrient need is given in the book. You will write it from over there. Nutritional need of adolescence, you will write the whole paragraph from here. Understood? Whole paragraph from over here. From and adolescent need balanced diet. It should include protein, carbohydrate, fat and minerals, vitamin in right proportion. Okay, iron is needed to make hemoglobin. Therefore, iron rich food such as green leafy vegetable, jaggery, etc. should be taken by adolescents. Taking too much food, junk food, can cause diabetes, obesity, cardiac problem, etc. Our daily meal, that is roti, rice and dal, etc. are balanced diet. Milk in itself is also a balanced diet. Okay, now next question. Why should adolescents avoid junk food? Adolescent always should avoid junk food. Why? Because it is not a healthy to eat. Okay, given over here, taking too much of junk food, overeating or irregular eating habit may cause diabetes, obesity, cardiac problems. Hence they should always try to avoid these kind of junk food. Next question. Study the following figure and answer the following question. First, you have to mark it 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 1? 1 is acrosome. 2 is nucleus. 3 is neck region of the sperm, which is carrying lots of mitochondria, whereas 4 is the tail region of the sperm. Now, what does this picture show? This picture is a picture of sperm. Okay, next, name the part 1 to 4. You will name it accordingly. Now study the picture given. Okay, alongside and answer the following question. First, name the part 1 to 5. What is 1? It is uterus. Okay. 2, it is cervix. 3 is opening of oviduct. 4 is placenta, whereas 5 is fetus. Okay, fetus which resemble the human form growing inside the mother body. Now next question is HOTS. First question, some baby have the same color of eyes as one of their parent. What should be the reason? Of course, they are having color of one parent eye. Why? Because that particular one characteristic in particular one parent is in dominant nature. Every person has two sets of gene to represent only one character. Okay, so one has received from mother side and one has received from father side. If the child is having resemblance in color of eyes with their mother, it means the gene of mother is dominant or strong in nature. Okay, next is, why do acne and pimple appear during adolescence period? It is due to active secretion of sebaceous and sweat gland. Understood? Now we have finished the discussion of question answer of this chapter as well. Have a nice day everyone. We will meet again with other chapter. Until then, take care.